From this form, you can also print barcode labels. In this case, package labels or item labels. You can only print these labels from a submission that has been logged. The reason for this is that the label needs a number, or in this case a submission number, to print. An unlogged submission will not have a number assigned yet. It will be pending. It will say pending right here. To print a package or an item label, just click either one of these buttons. The difference here is that it will print one label for each of the items in this list. However, if you want to print a package label, it will print simply one label that represents all of the items. Let's take a look and see what printing item labels looks like. Let's go ahead and click this button here. To print item labels, you need to have a label printer set up. Ace Express will tell you if it's set up or not, and it will give you the option to set it up if you want to if it isn't. Let's go do that right now. This form here is the workstation settings that can be gotten to by clicking on File, Workstation Settings. But here we went directly there. So let's choose a label printer. Right now we support two different kinds, a laser printer and a Brother QL550. Right now let's choose the laser printer. Then we have to choose a label Q. There can be many kinds. Let's go ahead and choose one. And let's go ahead and pick the HP LaserJet. Alright, and we're all set. So we have our printer selected here, our printer Q selected here, and so let's go ahead and click OK. Once we've returned from that, it realizes that a label printer has been selected, and so it's giving us the option. Now the labels we print on the laser printer are Avery 5163 labels that you can see right here. On these labels, they're essentially stickers that come 10 to a page, as you can see right here. You need to tell Ace Express where to start the printing. You can select any one of these, and of course it will go down the list as you see here. Once you click here, here, and here, and you can tell it where to start. And when you've decided that, where you want the printing to start, you click on Preview, and you can see what the labels will look like when they're printed out. Of course, when you're done, of course, you'd click on Print. Keep in mind, let's take a look at that preview again. This is an item label, so you can see the item number here. This is the submission number right here. Let's close. Let's go ahead and click on the package label. It's a similar thing because we're printing to a laser printer, Avery 5163. You can tell it the number of packs. Let's say I want 2. Let's go ahead and preview that. Because I said 2, it's going to print 2 of the same label. Here you can see just the submission number. There are no items associated with it. You may need 2 package numbers if the number of items is a lot and fits into like 2 boxes, for example. Let's go ahead and click on Close. When you print to the Brother label printer, let me just set that up here real quick. You would basically click this here, where you can see that one's depressed in. Then it would auto prompt you for the printer Q. In this case, we choose the Brother QL550, and that's all set up. Let's go ahead and click OK. Let's go back into that submission and see what that would look like. When we print item labels, when you print to the Brother printer, it knows exactly how the labels are going to print out. You don't have to decide where it starts because it just continuously prints them. So you'd click on Print, and they would print one after another. Package labels are similar, and once again you can choose the number of package labels you want. That's how you print package labels from the data entry screen here.